Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to this video. In this video, we're going to be looking into the Bitcoin and GBPUSD charts, and maybe run some few predictions or analysis on what I expect the markets to do. Guys, if you're new to this channel, please make sure to give us a thumbs up, subscribe, share this video, and also drop your comments and tell us what you think about this video. Guys, the market has been playing out exactly as we've been predicted in our market analysis videos. So if you've not checked them out, you might want to check them out to confirm what is actually happening in the market. So that is one reason why you should subscribe right now. Now let's head over to the chat. Before we do that, remember to join our Telegram group where we share updates back to back. Guys, we share gems, coins that you can buy and hold, okay? And we also share trade analysis. So you might want to check our Telegram channel and see if you can also benefit from the things that we share on that Telegram channel as well. So guys, let's head over to the charts now. We'll start with GBPUSD. Now GBPUSD did exactly what I've been talking about for some days, and guys, I've been cashing out in GBPUSD. Remember in my previous video I told you guys that we are definitely going to test this level to give us this complete double top over here. We need to test this level, and we did go down to this level on Friday, which was the last trading day last week, and started moving upwards. I did take some trade right here because I told you guys that once we hit this level, we are going to see a reaction, or a kind of a bounce upwards, and that was exactly what happened. Now let's go over to the 2-hour time frame, which is my favorite time frame, and see what is happening over there. Now as we can see, we did bounce from this level that I have been talking about, and created a lower low right here after this one over here. So what I'm expecting GBPUSD to do in the coming week is that I expect us to kind of retest a little bit, move to this area, retest a little bit, then before we can continue upwards. And but definitely we are going to go back to test this area, or somehow test this trend line, because there's a trend line over there. This trend line, as you can see, this level right here, this one right here. So somehow we're going to create another level over here. Now this level will be the decision points in the sense that it is either we break above this trend line, we test and continue to move upwards, thereby giving us the impression that okay, we are now going to form this formation right here and continue moving upwards, or we are going to see a bounce, or we're going to see a bounce from that spot, or we're going to see a bounce from this area, then come back and retest this level, maybe creating a double bottom, okay, so that we can have this low, high, low, high, then double bottom over here, then we can shoot upwards. So but apart from that, in the meantime, I expect GU or GBPUSD to kind of hit this level right here. So I will be expecting more buys in the coming week. So unless there's a kind of fundamental news that changes it, but technically this is what should happen. Now let's head over to BTC USD and see what is happening over there. Now BTC USD is actually, the chart is a little bit choppy right now, but remember I told you guys that in my previous video when we were at this level, I told you that we are going to see a drop back down, okay, below 23k, though our targets initially is 22,900, and because of all these fair value gaps over here. So but we are yet to hit that target. Instead we did bounce down, we didn't bounce back, although to 23,300, 200 thereabouts. Then we started moving backwards. Now the current situation of Bitcoin right now is that it's creating a kind of this looks like a bullish pennant to me. Okay, and in most cases, what we normally see in this case that we see a break out. Okay, we see a movement like this come back. If there's a successful retest of this trend line, then we're going to push upwards, and the target is going to be around 26k500, between 26k500 and 27k. Now that is what might happen, but currently what I will do is that right now I'm not going to place any trade. The ones we took over here, which we talked about, okay, we've already closed them. What I'm doing right now is that I'm going to be waiting for the market at 2 points. Now the 2 points, the first point is going to be just slightly below 23k. In case we shoot down, okay, and test this level, I'm going to be placing buy orders around 22,900. okay, then I'm also going to, the next place I'm going to be waiting for the market in case the opposite happens is around this area right here. So what I'm going to be waiting for is to see a breakout out of that bullish pennant, then retest. If there's a successful retest, then I'm going to place some buy orders here and target 26,500, 26,700, and take profits above 26,500. So in the meantime, that's what I'm expecting from Bitcoin. All right, now let's take a look at the king of the whole market, which is the dollar index. Now dollar index has actually done every single thing that I've been talking about in our videos. Let's go to the daily time frame. I told you guys that we are going to go back. The dollar index needs to go back to test this level, though we are not yet there. We're not there yet perfectly, but I've been talking about this all the way from this area. So initially we did have an internal trend line that looks like this. Okay, but I had to remove it since we've broken this place and there's a kind of successful retest over there. So the trend line we are looking at right now is this one over here. Okay, this one over here. So somehow if we continue to see the upwards movement, then we might just test this, then start moving downward. And this downward we are going to move is going to trigger the kind of the first stage of the bull run, because once the dollar index continue dropping, then automatically GBPUSD will start pumping upwards, will continue pumping upwards, and Bitcoin will continue pumping upwards. So guys, that is the market analysis, and this is what I expect from Bitcoin and GU in the coming days, in the coming weeks. So guys, if you love this video, please subscribe and do share this video with your team, and also drop a comment and tell us what you think about it. And if you make any money using our analysis or our signals, guys, please drop your comments, tell us how much you made from them. Guys, till next time, it is goodbye and God bless. Thank you.